The farming and fishing community continuously faces several challenges that negatively impact the productivity, availability, and security of food. These diverse threats to the agriculture industry also serve as a driving force for its key agents and actors in pulling efforts to paint a picture of a future where the agriculture and fisheries sector is modernized, competitive, and climate resilient. The Agricultural Training Institute is a premier capacity builder, knowledge bank, and catalyst of a harmonized Philippine agriculture and fisheries extension system. The ATI in Region 1 caters the provinces of Pangasinan, La Union, Ilocos Sur, and Ilocos Norte and empowers more than 550,000 farmers and fisherfolks and 1,200 agriculture and fisheries extension workers. Anchored to the Institute's vision of a competitive and prosperous agriculture and fisheries sector towards a vibrant economy, this center humbly presents its milestone in realizing the FY 2024 first semester goals and objectives. As the capacity builder, ATI provides training opportunities on commodity-based innovative technologies aligned to the priority commodity and banner programs such as rice, corn, livestock, coconut, high-value crops, organic agriculture, and urban and peri-urban. Different trainings on social skills such as community organization, farm business school, farm record keeping and bookkeeping, digital farming, and agri-entrepreneurship were also offered by the center to improve farmers and fisherfolk's resiliency and competitiveness. In the first semester, the center successfully implemented 56 trainings that benefited 655 AFEWs and 998 farmers, fisherfolks, youth, and other agriculture enthusiasts.
Bakit mahalaga yung training of trainers sa corn production and management? Kasi po bilang farmer leader, no? Sa akin napakahalaga po 'yon kasi doon po sa mga lalo na po sa mga technicalities, no? Yun yung malaking tulong sa amin kasi yung mga practices na iba doon isa ginagawa na po namin. Pero dahil sa training na 'yon, mas nakita namin kung gaano po siya kahalaga at yung science behind doon po sa ginagawa namin is mas lalo pong lumalim. Yun po yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit napakahalaga po nung training of trainers sa corn. Doon po din po namin nalaman kung ano-ano pa po yung mga iba't ibang mga makabagong technology na ginagamit sa pagmamais. Ganun din yung doon sa mga value adding po niya, no? Na which is kung kinakailangan mong mag-produce, kailangan din alam mo rin kung paano siya ibenta at mas mapakinabangan pa yung produkto ng mais. Kung ano po yung mga natutunan namin doon sa training, ginagawa po muna namin, no? Kasi once na nasubukan na namin at nakita din ng mga ibang farmer, minsan hindi ka na magsasalita sa kanila, kusa na silang lalapit sa iyo, tatanungin kung anong ginawa mo doon sa farm mo, doon sa pananim mong mais, anong ginawa mo doon, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. Pero doon sa nakikita lang nila, no? Makakainganyo ka na. Once na lumapit sila, yun na yung time na i-share mo sa kanila kung ano yung mga pinaggagawa mo, na ito yung dapat na gagawin, ito yung dapat natin na kinakailangan nating gawin. Pakita o gawa sa gawa. Ako po si Artemio S. Recto, isang local farmer technician ng San Carlos City, Pangasinan.
Magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Gerald C. Soriaga, a youth farmer and graduate ng TOT on Digital Agriculture course, and ngayon ay isa na pong young trainer sa aming komunidad. Laking pasasalamat ko po dahil sa training na ito on Digital Agriculture, madami po akong natutunan at ngayon po is naibabahagi ko na po siya sa mga kapwa ko kabataan at mga farmers. Bilang isang kabataan, tayo po ang magpapalaganap ng ganitong modernisasyon sa ating agrikultura. Tayo po ang may kakayahan na magbahagi sa ating mga farmers at mga kabataan patungkol po sa digital farming. So, hindi lang po sa ating komunidad, bagkus sa buong Pilipinas. At naniniwala pa rin po ako sa kasabihan na ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng bayan tungo sa maunlad na pagsasaka.
Of the total number of trainings conducted, 17 training courses were accredited by the Professional Regulation Commission to provide continuing professional development to agriculturists, fishery technologists, veterinarians, and agricultural and biosystem engineers. 19 other agriculture and fisheries-related activities were conducted and participated in by a total of 940 individuals, 107 of whom are AFEWs and 836 are other AFE stakeholders. These activities include briefings, seminars, summits, and conventions.
Bilang isang coconut farmer po ay marami po akong natutunan dito sa training ng ATI, lalo na po ang tamang pagtatanim ng niyog, pag-aalaga ng hayop, paggawa po ng pagkain nila, at saka po dito po ako na-motivate ng karagdagang kita, tulad po ng mga pagtatanim pa ng mga ibang gulay at saka yung mga entrepreneurship training po. Malaking bagay po ito para maibahagi ko rin po sa mga ibang tao, lalo na po yung mga susunod pang henerasyon. Marami pong salamat po sa ATI. Salamat po. Mabuhay.
Another underlying challenge in the AF sector is the aging farmers. Therefore, there is a need to increase the engagement of youth in agriculture. One of the key responses of the Institute is the provision of scholarship and fellowship grants to encourage youth to engage in agriculture. Under the Organic Agriculture Program, 8 young farmers benefited from the non-degree scholarship through the Youth Internship Program on Organic Agriculture. This internship program is designed to instill and develop in the trainees an appreciation and eagerness for organic agriculture and eventually adopt this practice as their source of income. The center is now in its second year of implementation of the program and also monitoring and evaluating the action plans of the first batch of the program.
I'm one of the first batch of OA internship program in Ilocos Norte. I've established my enterprise TLC Solutions where I offer products such as organic fertilizer and services. In my community, people are already aware of organic agriculture, but the question is, are they practicing it? And not yet until I was able to establish my enterprise. My first product is organic fertilizer, vermicast specifically, was used by my father to cover the corn seeds that he planted on the field. The seeds robustly grow compared to their usual agriculture practice. This lessened his production cost and at the same time the yield the same output. This was observed by our local farmers. They show interest on their next planting season that they'll also use my product. After my 6 months of training on this organic agriculture production, organic agriculture internship program, I was absorbed to be part of Jose Agricultural Farm. I was able to share my gained knowledge, my skills to the OJT trainees. I ignite their interest in agriculture and I was also tapped as RPs on various agencies, and I also offer services to other clients. I believe that OA internship program creates career opportunities, and this is one of the best encouragement to our youth, highlighting the economic viability and diverse career path within organic agriculture. I am Marlon J. Galliano, an OA youth farmer.
The institute also offers a college scholarship grant dubbed as Educational Assistance for the Youth in Agriculture, or the Easy Agri program. This is in support of the children of smallholder farmers and fishers who are inclined in agriculture, providing them with equal opportunities to pursue a degree program in the field of agriculture and other related courses. The first batch of the Easy Agri program has 12 candidates for graduation. 12 students are under the second batch and 16 from the third batch.
Unang-una sa lahat, ang magandang naitulong ng Easy Agri Scholarship Program sa akin bilang isang estudyante ay nakapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral sa 4 na taon na kinuha kong kurso. Ito ay nakatulong sa akin upang matugunan lahat ng aking tustusin at gastusin sa paaralan. Ito ay naging magandang susi tungo sa tagumpay. Ang magandang naitulong pa nito ay naka-attend ako sa mga iba't ibang pa-trainings nila, katulad ng mga seminars kung saan kami ay naging mas mabuti pang ehemplo sa mga kapwa namin agrikultura at sa mga sumusunod pa. Mahihikayat ko ang mga estudyante na kumuha ng agrikultura sapagkat ang Pilipinas ay isang agricultural land at may kukumbinsi ko na ito ang solusyon sa pag-unlad ng ekonomiya. Ako si Mark Aaron Monte, tatak Easy Agri Scholar.
The institute also supports the professional growth of agriculture and fisheries extension workers through the educational grants for extension workers. There are 3 AFEWs who are currently enrolled in master's degree and 2 are pursuing doctorate degree. These individuals are committed to further developing and expanding their professional horizons to render better services of the AF clients in the region. Aside from capacity building initiatives, ATI provides accreditation and certification to potential farms as learning sites for agriculture and extension service providers. This semester, 5 farms were accredited and certified as learning sites for agriculture. The farmer cooperators are tasked to act as big brothers to the small farm holders and demonstrate technologies along the value chain that could help them improve their farm operation, productivity, and income.
Marami po talaga pong tulong po na naibigay po sa amin. It opens the opportunity for us para po magkaroon po kami ng mga connections, market. At the same time, yung collaboration po of its learning site ay napagtibay po ng maayos. Malayo man po kami sa bawat isa for its provinces. The communication is there. Kahit paano may mga nakikilala na po namin ang bawat isa at doon po kami natututo at sa bawat isa with our own practices na i-share po namin. So, being an active learning site, kung lahat kami ng mga learning site is we collaborate and we help each other, walang imposible. Makakaya. With the guidance, of course, of the Agricultural Training Institute. So, yun siguro ang napakagandang effect ng pagbibigay ng ATI sa amin ng training. Kasi without the training, we really don't know kung ano yung gagawin namin. Although, siguro, ang hirap kasi that you can learn by your experience. Still, you need some guidance. And at the same time, the theory itself and the practical experience, combine it together. Yun success siya.
There are 3 compliance audits conducted among the accredited extension service providers in the region. This is to ensure the implementation of the standard procedures and quality services practiced by the ESPs. The Center's information services enhances agriculture and fisheries extension knowledge products and services through harnessing the potential of digital technologies to foster innovations, improve access to relevant knowledge and technologies, and strengthen communication and complementation among AFE stakeholders. The center initiated the reproduction of knowledge products in print through the livestock, rice, and high-value crops development banner programs. A sum of 36,250 copies were reproduced. The massive reproduction will cover and reach wider areas in agriculture and fishery sectors. Likewise, a documentation of success stories and best practices of Balay Timpalak winners was undertaken and published through corporate social media profiles and website. This initiative hopes to inspire farmers, fisher folks, and other individuals in the rural community. Further, the center pooled its resources and maintained 5 websites which garnered 84,521 page views and 872,237 individuals reached. Through the websites, the public gets updates on the programs and services of the center and other relevant and essential information. As the center strengthens the agricultural extension institutions and empower its stakeholders, 10 planning workshops with 317 attendees were conducted. These activities mainly focused on consultation with the AFE stakeholders, which covered the identification of challenges in the industry, gathering current data on production, and other related information necessary as references in crafting plans policy recommendations as to the situation of the region. The center is also taking steps to improve its monitoring and evaluation activities. 18 monitoring and evaluation activities were undertaken, and the results are now serving as a guide to further improve and sustain AFE interventions in the region. The staff development initiative of the center remains sustained. This semester, 50 staff underwent stress management training. This was to help them overcome internal and external factors towards a more efficient and effective channel of excellent and quality services. With the complementation of the center's workforce, ATI RTZ1 was able to attain at least 70% obligation rate and zero diversion of funds, another manifestation that the center is also efficient in terms of fund utilization.
We are really working hard towards the realization of our accomplishments. Pero sa kabila nito, habang tinitignan natin ang progress para makamit ang mga targets natin for the first semester of 2024, we have faced some challenge and difficulties in the delivery of extension services, particularly in reaching the number and type of participants. Isang action na ginagawa natin ay ang patuloy na pag-strengthen ng ating program planning efforts at the provincial and municipal levels at sa pamamagitan ng harmonization ng activities, and also the conduct of periodic consultation so that we can enhance our outreach and ensure that extension services reaches all the intended participants. We will work towards aligning our program activities across different levels at the provincial and municipal. We will conduct regular retrospective with provincial and municipal stakeholders as this is crucial. By implementing these measures, we anticipate several positive outcomes such as improved coordination and alignment of extension activities, enhanced responsiveness to the diverse needs of our participants, and ultimately increased participation and engagement from previously underserved segments of the community. With this, we can overcome these challenges and successfully achieve our targets for this year and in the upcoming years. To all our partners, thank you for the continued support na ibinibigay ninyo sa amin. Kasama kayong lahat sa tagumpay na ito.